Hi, I'm back for round two, and this is going to be training on different ways to import media into Premiere.
In the process of creating a video, you're going to import photos, video clips, music, graphics, so on and so forth. In all of those ways, there's several ways to actually import media. And I'm going to show you several of them because, believe it or not, it can actually make a difference depending on what type of media it is. And in some cases, computers are computers and they will crash. And knowing a different way to go about it may be a good way to troubleshoot different situations. So the first and quickest way to import media is going to be drag and drop. That's simply open up a folder that you have media in, choose the file, click it, and drag it into the project window. Once you've done so, it's now in there. Now, without clicking, drag the mouse over top of the video file, and you can see it from start to finish. You can also click on the video file and get a timeline bar and play it back and forth with audio. So that is one way. A second way to import assets into your video project is to just double click inside the project pane. Once you double click, it's going to take you to your Explorer, and from there find the videos that you want to import and just double click them to import them. Another way to import files, or any files, is to go to File, Import. Using this window, you can choose a file, double click it, and bring it in. And lastly, pressing Control I will open up again this import window, and you can pick a file and bring it into Premiere. Understanding that there are complex file types based on the way that they were captured is important, because you may have some cameras that capture files in formats that require multiple files to read one thing. I understand that can be confusing, and what I'm trying to say is that several files create one video clip that you may bring into Premiere. Because of that, you may need to use what's called the media browser. Now, the media browser is an extra window that you can bring into Premiere. And this works very similar to a Windows Explorer folder. By simply clicking on the folder that you want, you can go to the file. If you double click it, it'll allow you to preview it. If you right click and click Import, it will bring it into your project window. And that's how you import media into Premiere.